Grandma, you making food by chance? I am starving, Grams.
Well, no, Baxter. I am making a detox bath to remove radiation and toxins in the body. This is a formula created in the 1980s by scientists who were making it to remove radiation in the event of a nuclear bomb explosion. Fun fact, 1986 is when Chernobyl nuclear bomb went off. The scientists went there to find out why some didn't get sick. What was discovered is they were taking probiotics. When a nuclear bomb explodes, radiated iodine leaches into the thyroid and destroys it. Symptoms is radiation sickness. First thing to grab is seaweed everyone should keep on hand, then look for potassium iodide. This will fill up the thyroid with a stronger iodine, protecting the thyroid and preventing the active and storage of radiated iodine being spread throughout the thyroid functions. So Baxter, would you like to try this amazing detox, remove nanoparticles, toxins, and make you feel oh so good?
I am outta here. Someone help me.